welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look here, which was very inspired by fall. As we're getting closer to October, you know, I went to sit and have a coffee today and I saw that they were putting up the signs for the pumpkin spice latte, and I was like, do you know what, I really want to do something a bit dark but orangey, you know, a bit fall. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I'm obsessed with this makeup look. I just think that it looks so nice. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. So I'm just going to be starting off with the face, and the first thing that I like to go in with is the Benefit's Porefessional. I'm just going to take just a little bit of that, if you can even see. Looks like it's just taken a dump on my finger. So I'm just going to go in and and I've just recently had my nose pierced, so I have to just be a little bit careful around there. I just like to go in with the BECCA Shimmering Skin Perfector liquid, and this is in the shade Moonstone, and I like to put that all over my face, and it just gives me a really nice glow from within. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I do like to apply quite a bit of this because I just can't get enough of it. It's just really nice. Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just going to do 2 pumps, and that's literally all I need. And I'm going to go in with a Real Techniques Beauty Blend. I do like to go in with a full coverage foundation. The Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. If I go to buy any foundation or anything like that, I just ask for the lightest possible shade they do, because I know that's going to match me. And a lot of the times, even that's too dark for me. So as you can see, this Fair Neutral is really good because it actually shows up. And then once I've done that, I like to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I just take the Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35, and I like to just set the under eye. So look up. So then I like to go in with my Chanel Soleil de Tan. Just to bronze, before I set the whole face, I like to just go in and bronze up just the cheeks and the forehead, because I find that when I set my face, you can hardly tell it's there. So I know probably some people are going to be like, well, what's the point in doing it then? But you'll see, like, it just gives you a little bit of colour. So as you can see, it's just ever so slightly just bronzed up the face, just giving us a little bit of colour. And then I will go in with my Too Faced Born This Way powder again, and this is on the Morphe E41 brush, and I just go and set the rest of that. And I just really like to press it into the face rather than dragging. So today I'm not going to be contouring, so I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. This is the old packaging. They have changed it, but I've had this for a while. And the reason that I'm going in with the Milk Chocolate Soleil is because I am actually very pale at the moment. So just give it a little dab in there. And then, I don't know whether you can see. Just go over just where I've just bronzed, just to really bring a bit of colour to the face. And the same again on this side. So once I've done that, I'm just going to go in with the KIKO Milano Gold Waves blush, and this is in the shade Coral Sunset, which just looks like that. And it's got like this, I don't know whether you can see, like this gold reflex through it, which is really nice. And for this I use the Real Techniques blush brush, just looks like that. And I just go in. And it's so nice. Next I'm just going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette. The reason I'm lifting it up so high is because the mirror will blind you up. And I'm going to get mixed between these two shades here. Those two there. So the pinky type shade and the yellowy white type shade. And I'm just going to mix between those two, just like that. And then just go straight over where I've just put the blush and the bronzer. Just to give it a really natural, glowy look. Same again on that side. And I really, really love doing this. Like, literally, as you can see, makes you look so glowy from within. So next I'm going to take Moonstone from BECCA. And I take this on a Real Techniques setting brush, which is very small and it's perfect for highlighter. So that's what I use it for. So I'm just going to go in and just do tiny little circles, as you can see. So that is the face done. I've just zoomed you in a little bit so we can go ahead and do the eyes. So for primer, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow potion in the shade Eden. And I really love this because it comes with the doe foot applicator, which is really nice. So I just go ahead and just apply that all over the lid. And the coverage on it's really nice as well. So I do really like that. Then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and let's go ahead and blend that out. And I just want to quickly say, don't worry about any eyeshadow primer that's come across, because I am going to be extending the eyeshadow out. And then I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. I really love this palette and it gives me really fall vibes. So I want to go in with that. And I'm going to first start off by taking the shade Charm, which is the orangey shade. And I'm just going to start off just applying that. And when you go in with these shadows, like, look at that, just be very careful because that is literally just one swatch. So once I've done that, next I'm going to go in with this shade Fetish. And this has a tiny little bit of shimmer to it, but I feel like it still works really well to apply all over the eye. So I'm just going to take that, and I'm taking this on a Morphe E17 brush just to apply it, as you will see. So I'm just going to apply it fairly lower than the orange shade that we originally used. And then I'm going to go back in with the tapered blending brush, the E35 that I used to apply the orange shade, with no excess product, just whatever's left on the brush. And I'm just going to blend the two together. So next I'm going to take the shade Dominatrix, which is this dark brown deep colour. And I'm just going to take this on a... This is just a Coastal Scent BR 250 brush, but it's very close to the Sigma E25. And I'm just going to take a couple of dabs and I'm going to apply that just lower to what we have just done. Just to really almost just really deepen it up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and just apply that just under the eye, just like that. With the Fetish shade, which is that red burgundy shade, and just dabbing just to blend that really nicely with the gold, as you can see. And I'm bringing it quite far in because I don't want too much gold on the lid, so I'm just going to bring that quite far in. And then going back in with the shade Dominatrix again, just repeating the steps till I've got it how I want it, basically. So then I'm just going to take this really small, if you can see, this really small brush. I'm just going to go in with the shade Dominatrix very lightly and just, I'll just bring the thing around. Basically going in and darkening over that cut crease. So once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and this is just the Rimmel Exaggerates liquid eyeliner, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on. This is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the Charm shade. So then I'm going to go in with the shade Dominatrix again. And I'm just going to pop that under the eye. So I'm really sorry, the last part didn't record. I just went in with a little bit of black eyeliner and just buffed it out using the shade Dominatrix. So for lashes today, I'm just going to go in with these from Primark, I think they are. They literally remind me so much of the House of Lashes Iconics. So they're quite a good dupe for that. So I've just quickly done my eyebrows because this video is going to be really long anyway, so I didn't think there was any point doing it on camera. So sorry. So now I'm just going to go in and do my inner corner highlight, and for this I'm just taking Nylon from MAC and just so I'm just going in with the shade No Tea No Shade from Jeffree Star, and I don't line my lips or anything like that. I don't know why, I just never have. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It took me ages to record because obviously I'm just still getting used to everything. And if you like the video, can you give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe, as I am just starting off, so it would be very appreciated. And also stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.